Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin now by arming the time jumper and confirming charge. You need 50% or more, and cooldown reset mods fitted. Once done, pick one anchor player and set a visible waypoint at the raid entry, then sync clocks within 3 seconds so jumps align. You start the encounter and watch boss tells. Activate the jumper at the first safe window the boss opens. You're doing this because timing reduces desync and prevents wasted jumps while keeping your team in phase. You now manage the complex middle steps. Stagger jumps by half to 1.5 seconds per player to prevent overlap and server queue conflicts. Make sure to monitor the boss cast bar and your displayed latency. If latency spikes above 150 ms, cancel or delay the jump to avoid phase errors. Keep voice comms tight. One call to initiate the jump, one confirmation, and then immediate execution so everyone moves together. You do this to preserve positioning and conserve jump charges. You conclude by using the final time jumper when the boss is targeted and raid stacks are secured. This conserves remaining charges for enrage phases. If desync happens, stop, call a wipe reset, and immediately resync clocks and anchor positions before attempting again. Make sure to log how many charges were used and note any latency spikes so you can tweak stagger offsets next run. You follow this because rapid recovery and incremental adjustments make successive runs cleaner and more reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.